It's a Haribo emergency system. All the game, his family and friends are now scared at the NC 2023 game. Please stand by until the sirens are on. Please stand by. 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 We need to have a regular program. Witness a game emergency. Important instructions will follow after the emergency statement. Please stand by. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a text. I repeat, this is not a text. This is going to be a coldest nightmare. Yeah, there are 10 rooms. Get to the basement, flash your flashlight, turn back on. Now your phone to see what's done. And yeah, get to the basement, get your soda, foods, water, and your battery powered radio, sodas, toys, snacks. Stay tuned for a recommendation from an emergency action notification for a Haribo emergency system.